Soft candy bottle filling production line. Automatic bottle unscrambler machine is specially designed for round or slightly taper round plastic empty bottles. The empty bottles are sent to the storage box by the wheel feeder. The bottles are automatically arranged, and each bottle mouth goes up into the production line to cooperate with the production line. The hooks grab the bottle neck to align the direction, and the side belts pull the bottle into an upright position. Defective bottles are automatically rejected. The Z-type bucket elevator automatically lifts material from the ground to the multi-head weigher. It is suitable for weighing granule, slice, pet food, frozen feeds, etc. It is also suitable for weighing small hardware and plastic components. It is suitable for weighing and filling grain, stick, slice, globose, irregular shaped products such as candy, chocolate, jelly, pasta, melon seeds, peanuts, pistachios, almonds, cashews, nuts, coffee bean, chips and other leisure foods, raisins, etc. to into the can or box. Automatically cuts and inserts desiccant sachets. The machine can automatically stop when there is no bottle to lock, when it's blocked at the exit, when there is wrong orientation, or when the bottle is damaged. The resting force can be adjusted for locking different caps. It's easy to replace the locking heads and the star tray according to different containers or bottle caps. Optical sensor detection for precise positioning labeling. Come and take a look at the finished product.